Every day, businesses process countless online orders. But how can you ensure that each one is legitimate? Imagine a customer places an order from an IP address in one country but requests shipping to another. This is a red flag for fraudulent activity. Fraud Lab's Pro IP and Ship Location Anomaly Detection features can detect unusual IP or shipping locations for an order based on the past 2 weeks' sales data. With these features, you can instantly identify suspicious IP and shipping address discrepancies. You can take action quickly by either monitoring or blocking the fraudulent transactions before it happens. This advanced feature continuously updates itself, learning from your latest sales patterns to ensure effective and evolving fraud detection as your business grows. Stay ahead of fraud with IP and ship location anomaly detection. Protect your business today.